So I am making a chicken crust pizza for supper. So I have the chicken breast in the oven for 10 minutes at 350. It's just drying out. You want to take out a bunch of the moisture, and then I'm going to get the rest of this. I'm doubling the recipe, so that's 2 of those big cans of canned chicken breast. Oh shit. I forgot to hit tear, so thankfully I videoed that so I can see what I was at. I need 2 ounces of parm. Nailed it. The ratio is 1 can of chicken breast, which is like 350 grams, 1 ounce of Parmesan, and 1 egg. So I'm just doing 2 ounces of Parmesan, 2 eggs, and then I'll mix it all together. That is the extent of the recipe, but because I'm fancy as fuck, I like to put fresh garlic and fresh parsley and pretty much whatever else I feel like in the dough. So I'm just mincing all that up right now. Just mincing up the fresh parsley. I took the chicken breast out. It's just cooling a little bit. And then I'm just going to mix it all together, roll it out between 2 pieces of parchment, and then you bake it again at 500. Just pouring in that chicken breast. And then you mix it all together. And if it seems a little bit dry, you can put in another egg. You can add more. I'm just going to put in some egg whites instead of a whole egg, but I tried to undo it. That's fucking convenient. Great. Okay, so it's kind of like a dough consistency. I'm going to turn it out on that same piece of parchment. Kind of make it into a shape, put another piece of parchment on top, and then roll it with a real rolling pin. It's basically like a thin crust, so you want to go slow in spreading it all out, but it spreads out quite a lot and gets pretty big. I have it all rolled out. I'm just peeling off that parchment. Like, it's pretty big. And so I'm just going to quickly clean up all of the edges and then move it to this giant baking sheet. By clean up the edges, I just mean like I tuck in any loose pieces of chicken so they don't burn and it's more uniform. And I roll this out so big that it's as big as this giant baking sheet. And then into the oven at 500 for 8 minutes. That ended up being 10 minutes. You can see that the edges are just starting to brown. You're going to top it and bake it again, so you don't want to overdo it, but it's really good and it's really pliable and strong.